This is just my reality right now. Hello, welcome. Drogon is going to be your host today. I am extremely exhausted. I am ready for this week to be over. Today we have for you Ipsy Plus. I have not slept in 4 days. I have recorded every single day in this studio, and that is not something I like to do. I am just so tired and so ready for this week to be over. I need some sleep. This is a very real, very sleep deprived. Oh yeah, I'm wearing Clout. I don't think I like it on my skin tone. It's the liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star. I don't think I like it on my skin tone. It's too much of a light purple. I like really dark purples on my lips, but I'm not digging this color. We're gonna get into Ipsy Plus. We're going to do it fast. Drogon's going to do it fast and in a speedy way. I can't even do much today. See, I can't even talk. So we're just gonna go through it as fast as we can. It'll probably be a short-lived video. So you get a paper. Oh yeah, Ipsy Plus is $25 a month, and you get all the stuff that is in it and the prices. So the first thing we have here is Stay Spray, and it looks like a setting spray, and that retails for, holy crap, I can't see, $25. My vision is so blurry, and I don't know, all these bright lights that are hanging out in here with me right now, I'm just so over it. Sleep. I need sleep. Okay, so it's interesting. It Stay Spray, setting spray. So usually I have one setting spray that I stick with, but I am definitely going to keep this and give it a whirl because I love the Shape Tape. And anyway, the next thing I am pulling out is, oh my goodness, I got another one of these brushes. Is it the same one? It is. No, it's not. This is different. This is $35. And this looks like it might be, it's a different shape for sure. I might keep this one. Yeah, it's a different shape. Oh, the struggle bus. Okay, so focus. Okay, it's not, I'm not struggling with it today. I'm really not. I'm not trying to play these games. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that, and I can't even put it back in the box. All right, there we go. The next thing we are digging out here is a Morphe lipstick. Ooh, that's pretty packaging. I am digging that. Oh, and that color is beautiful. Here, right there. Hold the lipstick. No, that doesn't work out well. Okay. Here we go. I'm sorry, you guys. Usually, I only like to get in here once a week and record, and that's what I do. I'll record back to back to back. That's the way I like to do it, and with not having any sleep, this retails for $9. So that's cool. It's a pretty color. I'll keep it. The next thing I am pulling out are 2 lip balms by Noya. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. I don't know yet. That retails for $7.98 for a set of 2. I'm really not digging this lipstick on me, you guys. Peppermint's one of my favorites. And then we have the silver bag, and we have a palette. Build your own palette, magnetic palette. Okay, so it's that, and it retails for 60 bucks. Let's open that and take a look, shall we? I hope it has some eyeshadow in here. 60 bucks for 4 eyeshadows and a broken mirror. I don't know how I feel about that. So the mirror has a bunch of scratches on it. And it has 4 shades. 60 bucks. I'm not. And it's made of foam. Oh! Okay, so apparently that comes apart like that. And this just kind of popped out. What color is that? There we go. So, okay, I can't even get that put back together. I'm not even gonna try. I'm really not. I don't know how I feel about that being 60 bucks. All right, you guys, that was Ipsy Plus. I am going to bed. Bye. Bye.